Hello students, exercise 1.2, second problem. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45. So which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 45. And R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. So we have to find out relation, that is capital R. Also we have to find domain and range of that capital R relation. Okay. So in this question we have two clues. One is square of, another one is A cross A. So in our previous questions we have two different sets. So we found out A cross B. So if you want to check whether the given set is a relation or not, first of all we have to find out A cross B, and then if all the elements in the set belongs to A cross B means it is a relation. If not, it is not a relation. But here it is A cross A. So we have to find out A cross A. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 cross A. Once again we have to write the same set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45. So now we have to find the Cartesian product. How to find the Cartesian product? We have to take the first number and we have to proceed further. That is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So here we have the numbers up to 45, which means we can make 45 possible ordered pairs with this single number 1. That is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 up to 1, 45. Right? So again we have to go for the second number, that is 2. Again we have 45 ordered pairs, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 up to 2, 45. So what is the last number here? 45. Which means again 45, 1, 45, 2, 45, 3, 45, 45 will be the last ordered pair we can obtain from this two sets. So we can't able to write all the ordered pairs here. So we can simply write 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 up to, and what should be the last ordered pair? 45, 45. So this is A cross A. Right. And the next clue is square of. Square of is nothing but we can always need to observe the given sets. Right. So here the reason for the relation is square of. So we can write it as y is equal to x square or x is equal to y square. So I will take y is equal to x square. Right, the relation is square of. That is y is equal to x square. So we can find out the values here. So what is the first number? 1. So we can substitute the numbers one by one. The first number is 1. So when x is equal to 1, what should be the y value? So if I substitute 1 in the place of x here, it is 1 square. Therefore y is equal to 1. Which means if x is equal to 1, y is also 1. Therefore the ordered pair is 1, 1. That is x, y. Next number is 2. So when x is equal to 2. So if I substitute 2 here, it is 2 square. Therefore y is equal to 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. Which means when x is equal to 2, y is 4. Therefore the ordered pair is 2, 4. The same way we have to substitute 3. So which means 3 square 9. So 3, 9. So if we substitute 4, 4 square 16, 4, 16. Same way if we substitute 5, 5 square is 25. Therefore 5, 25. So if we substitute 6, y is equal to 6 square 36. Therefore if x is equal to 6, y is 36. So the ordered pair is 6, 36. And the next number is, after 6 it is 7, right? So if I substitute 7 in the place of x, that is y is equal to x square, which means y is equal to 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. So which means the ordered pair is 7, 49. But in this question it is clearly mentioned, here we have the numbers only up to 45. But here we have 49. So obviously we can't get this ordered pair from this A cross A, because the last element is 45, 45. So we can't able to get 7, 49 in A cross A. So we should stop here itself, that is up to 6. Therefore, what are the relations here? 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36. So up to 6 only we have to consider, because after 6 the number is more than 45, that is 49. So we have to stop in 6. So therefore the relation is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36. So this is the condition, y is equal to x square. So if you observe this ordered pairs, 1, 1, 1 square is 1, 2, 4, 2 square is 4, 3, 9, 3 square is 9. So the question is square of, so the relation is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36. And the next question is find the domain and range. We already know domain is nothing but the set of all the first elements in the ordered pair. So what are the first elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range is nothing but the set of second elements in the ordered pair. What are the second elements? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Right? So relation, domain, range. And that's all about this question. Thank you.